This is the elevator at the Office Park, Building A, Sarasota. It's been modded. We're gonna go at 2. Florida elevator mod. It's scenic. Well, scenic for about half the ride. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your cab view. Takes a long time to level. Orange cab. So the cab hasn't changed, but the fixtures have. And they haven't cleaned the glass. It's been like that for a while. Here's your certificate. 2,100 pound capacity.
Going up.
We're gonna cut to when we get it back. Here's what it looks like from the outside. You can see just that one panel of glass right there is really dirty or scratched up, and the rest of it is pretty clean. So we called it. That right there is Stickney Point Road out there. Right next to the door to this building is Building B, which is 3 stories. That's gonna be a separate video. Also, there's a sign for the office building right out there. It says 2477 Stickney Point Road. We're gonna go to 2. This time we're gonna watch the numbers. You have a newer GAL interlock right there. And we're gonna go down to 1. I'm pretty sure that's where the old certificate was before they modded the elevator. Also, weirdly enough, here it says 2,500 pound capacity. Here it says 2,500, but down here it says 2,100. Did they lower the capacity when they modded the elevator? I wonder. There it goes. Also, that up there used to be a floor indicator, but now you got this one on the side. That'll be it.